Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to zoom in and out with Mozilla Firefox. So guys, if you want to zoom in and out with Mozilla Firefox, so very easy. First open Mozilla Firefox. After click here three dots and here option zoom. So if you want to zoom out, this is last 30%, and if you want to in, so click it, zooming. That is maximum zooming 300%. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to zoom in and out with Mozilla Firefox. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.